Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Exciting news for you. Coffee Day is hiring for the position of requirements technician. Qualifications: we are looking for candidates with an ITI certification in any group. Whether you are a fresher or have some experience under your belt, we welcome you to apply. We have openings in multiple locations. Having a two-wheeler is mandatory for this role. Let's talk about the benefits for freshers. The starting salary is 14,000 rupees and net take home with an additional allowance of 2,500, mobile allowance of 350 rupees, daily allowance of 40 and a vehicle allowance of 150 rupees. We are looking for male candidates for this role. Interested? Contact our HR Kishore at this contact number for more details. Thank you for watching. For more updates, search our website riaopportunities.com where you will find more job updates. We'll see you there. Thank you. Thank you for watching.